What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. This is your first time here, man. Please feel free to go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the Frequent Flyers Club, man. And if you're already a frequent flyer, welcome back. What's good? How y'all doing, man? I definitely appreciate y'all for the support. Now getting straight to it, man. I got a quick unboxing for y'all today. I feel like it's some heat. I've been getting some mixed reviews on these, but we got a Nike SB, OG, regular Nike SB box, the Tiffany blue joint. The tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Stripe, black, orange flash. Got the Nike receipt, of course. And here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low, the Raygun tie-dye joints, man. These released a couple of weeks ago. They released this black pair, and they released a white pair as well. The white pair was a lot more limited to like local skate shops and things of that nature. But to me, I feel like the black pair it's just a lot better, man. I always talk about how I'm a black shoe and a dark clothes connoisseur, man. I love dark colors, love black shoes, but the black and white on here really hits. Really nice leather on here. Honestly, man, some really nice leather. It's like some of the leather that they've been using on like the Jordan 1s throughout 2019 was really getting some really good quality. Did the same thing on these, man. I like the tie-dye look on here. To me, these look better than the original Rayguns. I might get a little blowback from that, but man, these are better than the original Rayguns to me. Like the white laces, it came with the extra set of black laces as well. Got the all white outsole, man. Just a really clean SB. A lot of people have been saying that SBs are back and things like that, but to a lot of us in the street community, SBs never really left, man. I still got a couple of my pairs. I got the couple of older pairs, a couple of SB Blazers and things like that. But I never had a pair of Rayguns, so when these dropped, I had to grab a pair. I like the black and white on them. Just a really clean shoe. It's not overly done with color, but it has enough color to just to make it pop as well, man. Just a super dope shoe. I missed out on the white pair. I went out to a local skate shop out here called Select. They did a live raffle for the black pair and the white pair. They had about 20 of each, and lucky me, I actually L'd out on both. So the next day I hopped on Sneakers app and I actually hit on 2 pairs. So I mean, kind of balanced out. Wish I would have had the white pair just to complete the collection, but I'm not mad at all because I definitely would wear these a whole lot more. The white ones are cool, but the black ones are a lot better than me. Super nice quality, man. Just let me know how y'all feel about SBs, man. A lot of people just been giving mixed reviews. Like Travis Scott and people like Offset have been like really hot on the SBs lately, and people are like giving them credit for SBs coming back. But like I said, I don't think they ever really left, man. It's either you like them or you don't. Some people say they remind them too much of like ones and things like that. Yeah, I understand. It's kind of one inspired for sure, but it's just a little different, man. I love the SBs, man. I love the SB highs really, but a couple of the low colorways, man, you just can't get away from. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these so you guys can see these details, see this quality on here, man. You guys can really give me your complete, unbiased, honest opinion on these, and let me know if you would rock these or what you would do with them, man. So let's get up close and personal, man. We got the SB Raygun tie-dye joints. Now get up close and personal. As you can see, you got the regular Nike SB box, teal, blue, black, and white. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Stripe, black, and orange flash. Size 11.5. This is a personal pair. Definitely gonna rock these. Got the Nike receipt right here with the style, color, QR code, and all that good stuff. The UPC number. And then here we have it, man. We got the SB Dunk Low, the Raygun tie-dyes with the Nike on the back. The white tie-dye with the yellow stitching on the back and the back panel. Has the orange tie-dye on the mid panel. You know, just super clean, really nice soft leather. That's one thing I can say. Super nice quality. Raygun on the tag with Nike SB. Zoom Air on the inside. Black midsole, white outsole. Just a super clean black and white shoe, man. Some really soft leather, man. This is some really quality. It's a really quality shoe, man. See, you guys, the white outsole, like I said. Getting into the other shoe, same thing, you know, really nice quality on both sides. No real flaws on these pairs. Haven't really been seeing anybody just complain about quality. Maybe a little glue stains and stuff like that, but super nice stitching, nice embroidery. No real flaws on the two pairs that I have. I like the tie-dye. I like the subtleness of the tie-dye. It's not too much color. It just gives it a solid black shoe, just a little color, add a little flavor to it. Got the extra set of laces in black, you know, just a super clean shoe, man. If you like SBs, there's no reason for you not to like these Raygun tie-dye joints, man. It just gives you the best of both worlds, gives you a subtle look with the classic look, man. Just super fire to me, man. Let me know how y'all really truly feel about these. And that just about wraps it up for this video, y'all. Got the SB Dunk Lows, the tie-dye Raygun joints, man. Black shoe, white laces, can't really go wrong with these. Super clean, super nice quality, soft leather. Let me know how y'all really feel. You saw the details, you saw them up close and personal. Let me know if it's heat, let me know if they're hype, let me know if I should rock them, sell them. Let me know what I should do with them. I personally, I already know I'm gonna wear these, so, but just give me y'all's opinion of what you guys would do with them if you had these in your hand, man. Until next time on the next video, y'all, peace.